how to set up two-factor authentication in Zoho Mail. In this video, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication in Zoho Mail. So to get started, go ahead and open Zoho Mail into your preferred browser, sign in to your Zoho account, and then click on your profile icon, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. So under this, go ahead and click on My Account, and that will take you to your account settings. So into this section, go ahead and head over into the multi-factor authentication tab. And then once you're on the multi-factor authentication tab, you'll be able to find the options that you have to set up two-factor verification for your Zoho Mail account. So as you can see, you can receive an OTP authenticator, set up a security key or passkey. So I'll simply select OTP authenticator. So to do this, you need to go ahead and download an app of your choice, and then go ahead and scan this QR code. You can also manually enter this code that you have in here, and you'll receive a code from there, and then click on next in here to enter the code that you've received from that authenticator app that you've used. And that is how you can basically set up two-factor authentication in Zoho Mail. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.